You know what slows down your installs? Cables that aren't built for the real world. Our team at Kordz has been on job sites, so we know exactly what you're up against. Tight spaces, tricky racks, and unforgiving conduit. That's why we've made it our mission to Kordzify HDMI cables by designing features that take the hassle out of your installations. They include rounded strain relief boots, so they glide and they don't snag. Sharp-nosed dust caps that won't get caught mid-run. Compact connectors, because not every rack gives you elbow room. It's about saving time, avoiding callbacks, and protecting your reputation. And that's what we mean when we talk about Kordzifying your connectivity products. They're engineered and optimized to deal with the real-world challenges you face as an integrator. So these aren't your ordinary HDMI cables. I invite you to experience the difference of HDMI Kordzified. And you can find out more at kordz.com/HDMI.